Okay, so example number 3. So we have two binomials. Quantity square root of 2 plus quantity square root of 7 times quantity square root of 8 minus square root of 6. So, pag dalawang binomials, gagamitin natin dito ay FOIL method. So, first terms, outer terms, inner terms, and the last terms. Okay, so umpisa natin dito sa square root of 2. So, square root of 2 times square root of 8. So, that is the first terms of each binomial. So, square root of 2 times square root of 8. Outer term naman, so, outer din ito. Tapos yung outer doon. So, square root of 2 times square root of 6. And the sign is positive dito. Positive times negative is negative. Okay, next is the inner terms. So, inner ng first binomial, square root of 7. Tapos yung inner ng second binomial. So, we have square root of 7 times square root of 8. Positive. Positive times positive is positive. Okay, next is the last terms. So, last term is square root of 7 and square root of 6. Pero bago yan, yung sign ng symbol muna, yung positive times negative is negative. And then, square root of 6 times square root of 7 times square root of 6. Okay. So, multiply na natin. Okay. So, since para sila ng indices, so meron tayong square root dito. So, 2 times 8 is 16 minus 2 times 6 is 12 plus 7 times 8 is 56 minus 7 times 6 is 42. Okay, so simplify each radical, finding perfect square factors. So, hanap tayo ng pair factors dyan, kung saan yung isa ay perfect square or perfect square root. So, dito sa 16, square root of 16 is 4. So, meron tayong 4 times 4 dito. Sa 12 naman, so ano yung factors ng 12? Na kung saan yung isa ay perfect square root. So, that is 4 and 3. Sa 56 naman, so, pag malaking number, ang gagawin natin is i-prime factors natin yan. So, 56, down again sa 6, so divisible ng 2. So, that is 2 times, or 56 divided by 2 is 28. And then yung 28, again sa 8, so divisible ulit ng 2. So, 2 times 14. And then yung 14 is 2 times 7. Okay, so meron tayong 2 times 2 times 7 times 2. Tatlo pala yung 2 natin yan. So, 2 times 2 is 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 7 is 56. Okay, so ang kailangan lang natin ay dalawang 2 kasi square root ito. So, kukunin natin yung dalawang magkaparehas dyan. So, that is 2 times 2 is 4. Or, so 4. 2 times 7 is 14. Or yung 4 is 2 squared times 14. Yung 42 naman, so 42, gamit din tayo ng prime factorization. Tingnan natin kung meron. So 42, so nag-end siya sa 2, so this is divisible by 2. So 2 times, or 42 divided by 2 is 21. And 21 is 3 times 7. So meron tayong 2, 3, and 7. So prime numbers yan, pero walang magkaparehas. Hindi tayo magkakakuha ng dalawang pares dyan. So yung 42 is wala siyang perfect square factors. So ganyan lang yan. Okay, so 4 times 4 or 4 squared. Dito naman, yung 4 times 3, yung 4, that is 4 is equal to 2 squared. 2 times 2 is 4 times 3, 12. Then yung 56, so nandito yun, 2 squared times 14 or 4 times 14. Okay. And then, yung 42, square root of 42 is wala siyang perfect square factors. So, sulat na lang natin yan. Okay, so take square root where possible. So, dito, square root of 4 squared. So, cancel natin ito. So, naiwan is square root 4. So, ito yun. Minus 2 squared is cancel natin yung exponent dito sa square root. So, lalabas si 2 at naiwan si 3 sa loob ng radical symbol. Plus. So, plus. Ganun din dito. Cancel natin yon. So, lumabas si 2 ulit at naiwan si 14 sa loob ng radical sign minus square root of 42. Okay, so pwede bang i-add or pwede pa bang i-simplify ito? I-add or i-minus. So dito yung coefficient, wala namang whole number dito, so wala tayong i-add or i-minus dyan. Dito naman sa 2 square root of 3, walang parehas na square root of 3 at wala ring square root of 14. Okay, so walang common radicand. So ito na yung final answer natin. Okay, that is our final answer.